Stay tuned for some more cool shit. Yes, I don't know why I don't know why I did this.
So I needed to get ready to be on camera for the first time in forever. This is pretty scary. I almost forgot what it's like to put on makeup.
Why? Hello there.
I ditched the lipstick because I didn't think it was necessary, but hi, how's it going? Welcome. I'm Morgan. This is Morgan's Art and Stuff. This is essentially a hobby channel, right? I do a little bit of art, a little bit of stuff with toys, and a bunch of stuff in between, you know, cool stuff, shit, whatever. I'm currently at 1,300 subs. And for some of you that do watch my videos a lot, you know, I kind of mix it up between the toy stuff, hobby stuff, and, you know, I've been going through a little bit of a dilemma where I thought, you know, I had to maybe make a second channel and not have it all mixed together because, you know, maybe it's a little confusing. But then I realized, like, this is a hobby channel. This is what it's for. This is for the things that I like. So art stuff, toy stuff, cool stuff, just like my tagline right there. La, la, la. I hope you enjoy that. Let me just check my speech that I wrote down. We all have full-time jobs or go to school or, you know, have a big family or no family or whatever the situation. But, you know, I'm just here to bring a little entertainment to you every day. I try to do videos every day, mostly shorts. I want to try to bring more stuff. I'd love to make this a fun community where we can do lots of cool hobby stuff and I can try out new hobby things if you guys are interested in that, or God, anything that you like to do. But yeah, that's basically what it's about. Here's a little snippet. Here's a little snippet of things that I do. Look at this guy. Oh my god. Did that transition work? Was that good? Boof. A boof. Anyways, I do have a 3-year-old. Sometimes my daughter is involved. Sometimes you'll see more of this one here who's not happy with me right now. This is Bailey. Excuse me, madam. I'm trying to film a video here. You've stolen my seat. The look of death. I hope that you subscribe, or I hope that you like my content and have the need to maybe want to subscribe. Hit the bell button for when new videos come out. I'd like to get into video game play. I'm a big fan of all of the Lego games on PlayStation. So, and hey, I still have my Wii and I'm looking at getting it hooked up because I've got some Mario Kart, which is my absolute favorite game, and like I rock that game. You know, I gotta say there's not too many games that I've beat every single aspect of in my life, and one of them is Mario Kart on Wii. Like everything, every level, every character, every kart, I unlocked it. So I'm trying to figure out how to get that hooked up. So if anybody has an advice of how to hook up my old Wii to a HDMI new smart TV, please let me know, because my husband and I have no idea. Anyways, that's me. Stay tuned for some more cool shit. Yes, I don't know why I don't know why I did this. Yeah, bye.